Here on the Wix editor, you want to click right here on Add Elements at the left side of your screen. And then you want to click on the button. And then here on the button theme, you can choose any button. But for this video, I want to choose this one so people can recognize it better. Just click on the button or drag it. And there you go. Just click on Exit. Here on the button, you can just drag it all around of the page as you like. But I will place it here at the left side of my page. And then you can also resize the button as you like by clicking on this white circle around the button. After that, on the button itself, you can click right here on the link icon and then choose on top or bottom of page right here at the small windows and then choose on bottom and then click on done. And you are good to go. But if you want to make it sticky or freeze at the corner of your screen or anywhere on the screen, on the button itself, you want to do a right click on it and then click on Pin to Screen. Here you can adjust the placement of the button. For example, if you want to make it here at the mid left side of the screen or anywhere on the screen. But for this video, I want to make it at the left corner of the screen. And you can also adjust the horizontal offset and also the vertical offset. And there you go. Before that, you can also rotate the button to face down side by clicking right here on this arrow. Just click on and hold it. There you go. And then if I preview it, and then here, I am at the very top of my page. And then if I click right here on the button to go to button, if I click on it, as you can see, it will automatically bring back to the bottom of the page. And when I scroll down, it was still there even when I move it up or move it down. And that's how to add go to bottom button on Wix and then make them sticky or freeze. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.